Because I do so much cooking, I don't use packet mixes very much. But in an attempt to make a meat-free bolognese for my vegetarian and vegan friends, I've found one I really like. I found this one at Aldi. It's a plant-based soy bolognese kit. I thought what we do is we try exactly as the instructions say. This one only has 4 ingredients: the packet mix, tomato paste, diced tomatoes, and some water. Let's get started. Okay, let's give this a go. It's actually really nice. It's got a really good mouthfeel. Almost feels like you're eating mince. Quite a lot of tomato though. I reckon we can do better. I reckon it's time to pimp that packet! Yeah! Right, let's try the pimped out version. Smells delicious. You can taste all those beautiful flavours, all those beautiful textures in there. And you know what? The great thing about this, for not much money, you can feed a family of 4. Or an intimate dinner for 1. Cheers.